Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add music on Emo app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Emo application, which of course I've done right here. And now the next thing is, how can you download Emo? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Emo and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Emo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add music on Emo app. From this homepage, head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture and click on your profile picture. It takes you over here to this window where you have switch account, security and privacy, settings, Emo voice, game center, my files, iBubble, share Emo, help and feedback. So from here, I'd like you to click on your profile name at the top. Here you have Amanda Mac, that's my profile name. So click on that profile name and it takes you over to this window. So from this window, now you have albums, voice club room, you have gifts, and under you have share, you have the share tab, and you have the edit tab. Click on the edit tab, and once you click on the edit tab, it takes you here. Now you have avatar, username, email ID, level, novel, bio, motto, background, music widgets, privacy settings. Now go ahead and click on music widget. Once you click on this music widgets, now you can now select any of the songs here. So you can just select any of the songs here. I'm trying to ensure that I have muted all that. Muted. So you can select any of the songs that are available. So let's say I can escape. So select that, and you see that that is going to be playing in the. Okay. If you see that, that's going to show you the background. I can escape to the top center. If you go all the way back, you see I can escape there. So that's going to be playing in the background as you're enjoying your email. So I'm just going to delete that. Click on the delete icon if you want to delete that, and that's been removed. So that's how you can add music on Emo app. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.